Hey everyone! Today I want to tell you about a cool new tool called RankFusion. If you're into growing your website or business online, this might be a game changer for you. So, what is RankFusion? It's a smart platform that helps you get seen on Google and also inside AI models like ChatGPT. Basically, it's like a one-stop shop for making your online presence super strong. It puts together smart SEO tricks and AI citation strategies all in one dashboard. That means you can build your authority on Google, like Google Sites and Blogger, plus get your links recognized by AI systems. Here's the best part. It works automatically. You set it up once and it creates and syncs posts on multiple platforms: Google, YouTube, Bing, and even AI indexes. This helps you get more traffic, more leads, and more visibility without extra work. It's perfect whether you're just starting out or if you run a big SEO agency. Now, one thing I really like is how it combines Google rankings and AI citations. Think of it like having two engines pulling your website forward at the same time. If you apply this to your life, imagine how much easier it would be to get noticed online and attract new customers faster. Just spend a little time setting it up and you're good to go. If you want to stay ahead in the digital game and boost your online presence effortlessly, I highly recommend checking out RankFusion. I've dropped a link in the description below, so go ahead and give it a try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips. See you next time.